Hello everyone. In this session, we will explore the employee payslip based on timesheet activity module in Odoo. This module helps organizations streamline payroll for hourly employees by automatically linking the recorded timesheet activities with the payslip generation. We will walk through how timesheets, salary rules, and contracts integrate to ensure the accurate hourly payroll computation. So here I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the employees module and I'm just selecting one employee, and here you can see one contract of the employee. So it is basically the contract which employee signed when he or she joined the company. And here you can see the department and the salary structure of the employee. So now I'm just moving forward to the payroll module. So under the configuration, you can see one option as the salary rules. So here you can create the salary rule for the employee. So you can also select the category, like it can be a basic or it can be allowances and many more options available over here. And also you have one option to configure the computation type you want. And in the child rules you can also add the rules, and you can also add the description and the inputs. So these are the pre-configured salary rules. Now I'm just going to the configuration, and under the salary structures you can see here we can add a new salary structure for the employee. Here I'm going to create a new salary structure as base salary. If you want to give it reference, so you can give. And from here you can configure the salary rules. Here you can see we had configured the salary rules. These are shown over here. If you want to create the new, you can also create it from the new button and you can create the same. Here I'm just selecting the base for new salary structure and adding one rule. It is the house rent allowances, and I'm just going to save it. So that's how you can configure the salary structure. Next, move forward to the employee payslips. So here you can see if we want to create a employee payslips. So here we have to add one employee, and you can see all the details of the employee are fetched over here, like which contract the employee has and the salary structure and the payslip name. Everything is shown over here, and I'm just going to save it and compute the slip. So here you can see one payslip smart button is generated, and under that you can see three salary slips are generated for the employees. So if you want to print the employee's payslip, so you just have to click on this gear icon, and under the print drop down menu you can see the two option, one for the payslip and the another one is for the payslip details. I'm just click on this payslip, and you can see the payslip of the employee is created and downloaded. And if you want to print the payslip details of the employees, so you just have to click on this payslips detail option, And here you can see it will fetch the details of the employee as well as the salary rule category and the payslip lines for the employee. So, the employee payslip based on the timesheet activity module in Odoo provides an efficient way to manage the payroll for hourly employees. By connecting the timesheet activities directly with the payslip computation, the process becomes automated, precise, and error free. This ensures that employees are paid correctly for the hours they work. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or queries about this video, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and we will be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the BrowseInfo channel for more Odoo related tutorials and the updates.